What's up, Trek Junkies? Here you will notice the official tank grips for the Panigale V4. This is a 2021 model. Should work for 2018 to 2021. They are a little bit more costly at $95. However, they look very nice on the bike and they stick very well. I suggest to heat up the stickers as you see here. And also heat up the tank before applying it. That way you ensure that they get nice and tacky and will stick for a really long time. Comments as far as how they hold up or how you feel, how they feel when you're out on the road. Well, when wearing jeans for street riding, they are not too tacky as far as they don't grab your jeans and keep you from moving around on the tank. However, they do provide a nice grip, a higher grip level when you're out there riding or hanging curves or accelerating hard and stuff. So they're a lot easier to hold on to the tank with your legs now with these, but not so much where you can't slide on and off the bike easily. So, yep, really nice. I recommend them. And that's it. We'll talk to you later. I'm out.